This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Let's use our new sprite blocks to create a student sprite. What blocks do I need again? Yeah, guys, keep in mind they have these handy hints, but let's just keep going. Create a sprite variable called student. So again, they're hiding it right under here, sprites. And we're creating a variable, so this is going to be the block, var sprite. Now, just to recap, what's going on with this thing? var, and then this word sprite is going to be the name of our variable. So just like in math, you might have 2 plus x equals 4, and it's like, okay, well, x must be 2 then. Same thing, except we have a student variable instead of x, and it's going to be equal to this sprite, whatever this is right now, which would be a gray square. I bet we're going to change that. So I did make it sure it was named student. Now I'm going to set the animation, drag that guy out, and I need to do it here. Cool. And now I'm going to skip a step because I want to show you what happens. I'm going to draw sprites to tell the computer, hey, draw my sprites. Let's hit run. What's going on? So this is going to be our issue number 1. The computer has no idea what sprite is. We don't make anything here called sprite. We actually named our, even though it's an image of a sprite, student. So we need to, yikes, that looks bad. We need to tell the computer, hey, that student thing I made, I want to set an animation to it. I should also actually choose one. I'll go with Kim. Let's give this a shot. And there we go. Keep in mind, code runs in order. And so what happens first is the computer says, all right, I need to create a sprite. Okay, what's that going to be assigned to? Oh, this variable student. Cool. Next line, student. Oh, I need to set the animation to, Kim, so the image of Kim. And then finally, I'm going to throw all that on the screen. So I want to show you one other thing real quick. Let me draw draw sprites way up here. Nothing happens because code runs in order. It has no idea what to draw. We have to set this stuff up first and then ask the computer to draw. Cool. Ta-da! Onward.